Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance, STL, The Place. The song is The Place, the artist is Ink, and the choreographers are Chris White, STL Star, and Jeremy Sims, STL Hollywood. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll pin it at the end of this video. Last but not least, please join me in Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing here in New Orleans at the 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens this year, June 1st, and you can book your room. All details when you register and book your room is at our website. Please go over to www.LMIUNOLA.com and I'll see you there. And come on, let's get it. Hey, tell me that ain't smooth. STL, the place. Remember, I'll post it at the end of this video, and check out the NOLA Southern Experience at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.